Hello guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your BGS credit cards account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now, to log into your BGS credit cards account, firstly open your Google search. Type in BGS credit cards login and make a search. It will display the results on the screen. Click on the first link shown on the page. On the next page, click on Sign In. Enter your username and password associated with your BGS credit card account. Click on Remember Me if you want your password to be remembered and then tap on Sign In. If you don't remember your username or password, click on Forgot Username or Password. This is how you can log into your BGS credit cards account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.